Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have made this homemade delicious chocolate which is sugar free and very yummy. You can indulge in this chocolate balls without any guilt. So let's get cooking. So here in a pan I have taken 1 spoon of ghee or butter, whatever you prefer you can take, and then I am going to shallow fry 2 bowls of oats. So these are rolled oats, so I am going to fry until it is golden brown. So these oats are raw, so once I fry in the ghee it will give a nice aroma and it will taste very yummy. So I am going to fry these oats very nicely until it is golden brown, and in the meantime I have taken here dates. These dates are very sweet, so I need not to use any extra sweetener like any honey, sugar or jaggery, so nothing else. Just with this dates the chocolates are going to be super tasty and also sweet. So I am going to throw away the seeds and taking only the dates. So I will throw away all the seeds. See, I took out all the seeds, going to throw away the seed and taken only the dates. So in the meantime also I can see these oats have been fried very nicely. It is giving a very nice aroma. It's become golden brown. So now I am going to take it out. So I am going to take it out in a bowl, and then I am going to let it cool for some time because I am going to grind it in a mixture grinder. So if it is hot, it's not safe to grind it. So friends, see here I have this roasted oats and the dates. So the oats also have been cooled down. So now I am going to grind it. So I put it in a mixture grinder jar, and then I am going to blend it. So see friends, after I blend it became a smooth powder. Now I am going to add the dates here. So once I put the dates, and again I am going to grind it so that if I see friends. So once I put it, it's giving a nice binding. Now I am going to put peanut butter. So friend, this is peanut butter. You can get it in the market, supermarket also to buy, but this one I made it at home, which is healthy without any preservative, and you can preserve it for almost a year or so and it doesn't go bad. You can enjoy in your smoothie, bread toast and all. So I have put here 3 to 4 spoon of peanut butter and then mix it nicely. So now again I am going to grind it. So see friends, this peanut butter, dates and the oats have been very nicely binded. Now I am going to transfer it into the bowl. So after I have transferred it into the bowl. So mix it nicely with the help of my hand. Now I am going to give it a shape of like a small ball, like a laddu. So with the help of my hand I am going to make it round balls like this. So see, it's very nicely, it's getting binded and it's not getting broken as well, it's not getting break. So nicely I am going to make all the peanut butter, oats and dates ball very nicely. So you need not worry about it because the date here is acting as a binding agent, so it is going to bind it very nicely. So I need not put the dates and the peanut butter. So friends, I have very nicely made all the laddu with the help of my hand, the balls. So now what I am going to do, I am in a pan, I am taking water, and then I am going to melt chocolate. So here I have taken one dark chocolate. So if I put chocolate directly into the bowl, the chocolate will get burned. So I am going to double boil it. So this is called double boil. So I put the steel pan, put water into it, and then I put the glass container, glass bowl, and now I am going to melt it. So I keep the gas in the medium flame So slowly the chocolate is started getting to melt. See friends, how nicely the chocolate got melted. So now I am going to add here 2 spoons of broken almonds. So you can add any other dry fruits as well if you have, like cashews, raisins. I had almonds, so I have put the almond. So now what I am going to do, I have taken this tray. So I am going to dip the ball into this chocolate, melted chocolate, and then I am going to refrigerate it. So it will take to refrigerate almost 5 to 6 hours. So see, nicely coat with this chocolate syrup, and then I am going to nicely coat with the chocolate, and I am going to put it in the tray. So this way I am going to make all the laddus, like all the balls. I will dip it into the chocolate syrup, and then I am going to refrigerate it. So friends, this chocolate protein ball, it's very yummy, very tasty. You must try it, and please don't forget to comment like how do you find my videos, so I will be able to make more nice and very interesting videos. So it's been ready now. So see, it's been refrigerated for 6 hours, and